You know what? He throws this ball over the.
Mahomes just came in. 6 cents, baby. It's Crackalacking Peeps. Back-to-back video. We got the 6 cents unboxing February edition. This is the elite. You know, we do things, everything elite. We sure ain't the leaders. One day soon though. But I ain't gonna say too much talking. Let's get into what you click for. 6 cents, baby. First bait, got the Divine Shaky Worms. These are the worm juice color, and they look juice themselves. These things look like they go. I'm not even lying to y'all, y'all. I like this color. This is like the form of how 6 cents shaky worm is built compared to any other shaky worms on the market. Looks good. Next bait, got the Movement 80X. Copper slash green shad. Interesting color. Never heard of that color in my life. I guess new color means more fish, because new colors means that the fish haven't seen this color before. So it's a pretty looking sauce to me. Has a little weird bill on it. Like the black, just the craving of the bait just looks excellent. White body belly, ADX. This dives 1 to 3 feet. Surprisingly, this big of a bait, and it weighs 5/8 of an ounce. Sauce bait. For the next bait. Next up, we got the Divine Hybrid Jig, 1/2 ounce. This is a candy bluegill. Oh, I thought it was candy bluegill. All jokes aside, this is a screw lock, 1/2 ounce. Pretty sauce jig. Like the little skirt on it too. I'm wondering if this is a screw lock or not, but I guess we have to open it and find out. But looking like a good bait. But the next bait is coming. Got a Quake 70 lipless. I want to eat it myself. Kill it. 6 pounders, 5 pounders, 3 pounders, 1/2 pounders, 20 pounders.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
You know what I'm saying? This bait is excellent. All jokes aside, this is a boiled crawfish color. What did I say? Springtime? Hand time. You know what I mean? Next bait. Got the Cloud9 C6. 1/2 ounce. Ooh, 8 plus 4 to 8 feet. Dang, I like the variety of cranks here. 6 cents. This is a Ozark Crawl color. I do have an Ozark hard color from my old last, I should say, Tackle Warehouse unboxing. Has a rattle to it. Give you guys a close up. Good looking bait. And the next bait. Oh man, 6 cents, y'all. Look at this. This is sexy. I mean, the black stripe with the green back. This is a Crush 100X. The color on this thing is called Shad Burst. Because that sure does look like a shad. If you ask me what type of species this is a shad to me. All 100X's Crush dives, again, 2 to 5 feet. 5/8 ounce. This is 68 millimeters long. Has a rattle to that bad boy. Like the eye attention on that thing. Good bait. Next bait, or should I say last bait. We have the 6 cents Cross Prawn Blue grass matting. Now we are gonna open these bad boys up and see what these things look like. Oh yeah, these joints are thorough, strong, soft plastic. These joints are crack-a-lacking. These are strong. Blue back, or should I say green top, blue bottom, crawl. Again, blue grass magic. Pretty soft baits if you ask me. And then final but not least, we have a gray, dark, actually I say a light gray, 6-inch branded bag. Keep the bag, comes like this with all the baits packaged inside. I really like that from 6-inch. So I like that. Holds camera gear, like I said, GoPro, soft plastics, whatever out to you, how you feel like using this bag, or if you don't want it, just throw it away. I'm definitely keeping this though. Leather material, looking good. That's gonna wrap up today's video. If you did like today's video, hit the subscribe button above my head. Hit these 2 like buttons. Follow my socials down in the link in the description. But that's all. That's all I got for today. 6 cents coming in clutch again. What can I say? It's a doozy.
Crack-a-lack.
Peace.